Oh, okay, let's begin. Hello, my dear friends. I see some of you in our chat, so hi to all. Please, if sound and picture are all right, please write plus in the chat, and we can start. I apologize for the quality because it's my pilot issue, my pilot video according to Forex Analytics in English. From this date, I'll try to make it every day. We met at 4 p.m. each day and discuss what is interesting in the Forex market, what trade ideas we can use, adopt in our account, and as for beginning, I say a few words about me. My name is Oleg Kalmanovich. I'm an independent Forex trader and analyst. I founder of Forex community. It is named Generation F. You can find a link to our chart, to our trading resources in the annotation of this video. So you can join to our trading chart, where we every day discuss actual Forex ideas, Forex signals, some other issues about Forex strategies, about our hobbies, and etc. So you are highly welcomed to our chat. The links is below to video. You can find it. Okay. Up. Here we are, the Telegram Generation F. Our video is will be quite shorter than the Russian edition, because at the beginning we analyze only four trading pairs. It's euro-dollar, Great Pound versus dollar, yen versus dollar, and gold. So we begin with euro-dollar. I'll launch my little preview of euro-dollar. So you can see, like, Christine Lagarde, the American president, will discuss some problems, some issues, and I use the famous trading platform. It's named MetaTrader 4. I think most of you use this platform. It's quite useful, friendly, useful, and delightful for trading. About my trading approach, I use approach which is called the base principle of trading. The author of this approach, Marat Gazizov, it's a famous trader in Russia. It is a trend trading system. They're based on building some trading channels on a graph, and some structure. If we see some breakdown of a structure, it is formed a trading signal for our deal for our deals. For example, if we see the bullish bears here, and the trend line breakdown by this huge bearish candle, you can see, okay, there is some signal here. We can use these channels and other support and resistance line to find out our trading signals. So the first approach is a basis principle of Marat Gazizov, and the second part of my analysis is CME trading indicator. This indicator helps us to see the behavior of the most or the largest market player, as known as market makers. You can see the volumes of trading, you can see the range of trading for today, the balance line. It helps us to find a new signals or assumed signals, which we get from the basis principle. For example, in euro dollar, we see the big bullish channel from 30th of May. Our trend is bullish, but we also see that now the trend is changed to bearish, and the question where we can find our trading signals. Wait a minute, friends. Oh, excuse me, some flu in my nose. Okay, we return to our graph. See a bullish trend, but in this point begin some process, as we know, correction to the trend. So correction, it might be a light correction or a large correction. The famous trading tool to find out how big this correction could be, it is FIBO levels. So you can see the levels of 50, 61 and other, where the reversion of trend can be. But this tool we don't use because as my human point of view, the beginning of all forex and market movement is a volume of big player. So we can see this histogram of open interest. This is a deals from future market. For example, we'll see a accumulation of volumes in this level, and for my approach, I mark some levels as pivot points for the deals. The major level is a balance line. You can see it is a green one. It's a green line. So the balance line is a line where the market try to know what a trend is, bullish or bearish. My last deal was on Friday, so I'll try to keep it further. But we see the balance line is below the price, so it can be some tips for us. The support line, here is a support line. It tries to not to enter the price down. So I have a stop loss for this deal here, because in this trading pattern we have as I call the semi signal, not a true good signal. It's a semi signal. They have bearish signal and bullish signal. The major trend is bullish, because this trend line is not breakdown. Until it is alive, we see the trend bullish. So our main deals is must be bullish. We have to pay on this market. Okay, this is the balance line. The other lines from above and below, they have the range for today, the trading range. One moment, I kick some unuseful levels, and we use just the main levels. It's a balance line, as it's called ODR, option daily range in English. Option daily range. You'll see these two levels above. This level of ODR for weekly contract and for month contract. So it is form resistance for the price, or it's the goals for buy contracts, the first goal and the second goal. And above we have also two levels, but we use them as support lines. It's a support lines for weekly contracts and month contracts. So in this situation we can make a third decision. The third decision: the trend is bullish, the balance line is below, so it is used as support, and we can make some trading decisions. So this pattern this way. For first goal as a bonus is a second goal. But if we see the breakdown of this pattern, this bullish bias or bullish trend, we can see deals for selling. The first level is a low there for weekly 1.0855, and the bonus is 843. You can ask me about these lines. It's merging levels. The merging levels they are also used in future markets. It's special margin requirements for the sellers and buyers. So if you buy in this point, and the price went not in your path, not in your way, in this level, you have a margin call. Your broker says you have not sufficient margin for your contract, for your deal, and you have to make a decision. You must refund your account, or you have a stop out, and you have losses on this trade. We have three margin levels, because in the future markets the leverage is quite smaller than in a forex market. Their classical leverage is 1, 4, 1, 2, and the trading without any leverage, or 1 to 1. This zone is for leverage 1 to 4, and this one 1 to 2, and this level is a stop out signal for traders who adopt their trades without any leverage. In our trading, we can use these margin levels as a support or resistance lines or zones. Today the situation will be quite more bullish, because the trend is bullish, BS is bullish, the balance line above the price. So the main pattern is uptrend, and we can find some points for entering near this zone. The goals will be the first one, the second one. It is euro-dollar review. Okay, I make a screenshot for my analysis, and we'll download it to our group in Facebook and in Contacte. So friends, hello to my close friend Evgeny. Evgeny is a Russian trader. We discuss our trading signals in the chart. It's our good friends Anna, Evgeny, Alexander, Mark, Ismat, and other. I hope in the future some English friends will join us, and we can make some international community for trading. Okay, Evgeny, I will keep calm and give reliable signals. Okay, euro dollar is finished. Now British pound. British pound. Now it has this structure. We have a bullish channel, but now the correction began. So maybe not for tomorrow, not for today. For tomorrow, we'll see what trend is will be chosen by the price, because now we have semi-signal 2. We see this channel is bearish, but the price try to break up in this case. So one moment. So we can make blueprint for the further channel, something like this, but now it is only in a stage of formation. It's just a blueprint, not the true channel. As for levels, we'll see the balance line as the price 1.2169, and the range of the day is a high range on 12264, and the close level is 12238. I think it is better to wait tomorrow, because today they have holidays in USA market and in Great Britain, so the movement will be quite short. And for tomorrow you can see the change of behavior market makers and some trend changing. Now it is semi-signal, but some tries to change this bearish channel. We'll see at the moment, because balance line is below. The volumes of open interest are also below the price, and this volume is quite big. 3,000 contracts is quite big for pound. So as the main ideas is waiting for channel formation, maybe like this. And the main goal is the closest level, this one, and the bonus is this 12264. For selling, we can see the further picture. The price must down to this level, try to go up, but without success, and after it will be down to the first level and the second one. But now we must wait the formation, the reversal channel, or continuing the movement to the channel of this one, or bearish channel. Sorry, one call I receive. 1 minute, friend. Okay, I on the place, and our review of Great Britain versus dollar is completed. So I make a screenshot and upload it to the group. The group is on this link. I added to the chat. Okay, and two other actives will last. The first one is Japanese yen against American dollar. We see today movement is very modest, without any impulse on one place. In the morning, I draw this channel. This bearish channel, but we see the price is concentrated on the roof of this channel, on the top. So it's a big chance to break up this level and make the bullish trend. But now we have this position. Balance line is above of price. The mark of the price 107.590. What about our goals, our targets? The targets above support lines low order, weekly and monthly. We'll see these two levels formates one support zone. Try not to get the price in. Get through. Sorry. And now also the semi signal. I think we'll waiting for tomorrow. And tomorrow we see what trend will be defeat other, the bearish or bullish. Now the situation something like this. I think the main movement will begin tomorrow. So for today we have a flat in this channel. It's in this small channel. If we see the breakdown, a balance line and we can see some trading signals for selling. I use some patterns, some reversal pattern. It is called 1, 2, 3 pattern, or zigzag. So this is 1, 2, 3 points. sorry. And the main point on this pattern is the second one. If you see the breakdown of the second point, it is a signal for trading in this side, in this navigation, and we are waiting for breakdown the balance line, the formatting of 1 to 3 pattern. If it will be done, the main goal will be 107.25. Okay, it's idea Japanese yen, and the last pair is XAU or gold against dollar. Okay, here we see the bearish channel, bearish range, and as a additional signal we see the balance line is above the price, so it is used like a resistance line. We have two goals for today. Resistance goal is 37.5, and the target for selling is 90.3. So the interesting ideas for me, it is sell deal under this line and under the balance line. Under trend line, it's a balance line. It's a convergation of two signals. A signal from balance line and from trading channels. If we see this convergence of signals, the signal will be stronger than the ordinary one. So our main goal for selling, for sell trading, will be this level. The bonus for our account will be if the price squeeze down this level, and will go to 70.08. The alternative scenario will be if the price break down this level, this resistance, so the main goal will be the accumulation of volumes, something about on 70.50. It's a psychological level. It's quite strong, but I think it's an alternative signal. The main idea, it is sell trading for this level and for this level as bonus. Okay, Okay, I make a screenshot, make uploading in our group. So friends, thank you very much for watching our video stream on Forex market. I'll try to make it every day, but we shall begin earlier, not like in today. Something about 4 p.m. On Moscow time, and maybe we'll add some other actives, some other trading pairs to our survey, to our market review, something like Bitcoin, or maybe New Zealand dollar versus American, etc. And thank to all. Thank for watching, for your likes, for sharing this video. I'm glad to see you in my subscribers, and good luck to all in this quite difficult sphere as Forex trading. Nice to meet you all. Sincerely yours, Kalmanovich Oleg. Bye bye.